At the beginning of our universe, stars were formed when a large amount of dust and gases came together. It is not an easy process for stars to shine and show us their bright light. Gravity plays a significant role in this process. The early stars started shining as soon as hydrogen started to fuse into helium due to the gravitational force of the star. The outside gravitational force of a star not only provides extra pressure for hydrogen atoms to fuse into helium and other heavy elements but also raises the inner core temperature of a star, which makes the process easier. Early stars in our universe used to be very big compared to our Sun because their formation took place in the early pure hydrogen clouds. Due to gravitational forces, some of those stars kept on adding more and more matter and went on becoming denser and heavier. As they became big, they added more matter to their pile. Some of those early giant stars ended up as a supernova explosion, creating heavier elements. It is believed that most of the heavy elements such as iron and gold that we use today came from the explosion of those stars that formed soon after the Big Bang. Not all stars exploded into a supernova. Some of them contracted under their own gravity, resulting in the formation of massive black holes. So now we had a universe full of massive black holes and giant stars, most of which exploded and gave us heavier elements floating everywhere. Early universe was smaller and much denser, so those early black holes started sucking more and more matter into themselves, forming a giant disk of matter revolving around them. Because of their enormous gravitational attraction, all the matter in a long distance also found itself revolving around them. Because of the rotation of black holes, the disk's shape around them turned spiral, concentrated towards the center. The structure of this complete system remained stabilized for the next billions of years. The surviving matter did not fall into the black hole due to its distance. Neither did it shatter away because of the gravitational attraction and kept on steadily revolving around the black hole. As time passed, the matter revolving around the black hole started forming its own stars, planets, and eventually solar systems. This complete structure is known as a galaxy. This is why there is a supermassive black hole at the center of almost every galaxy in the universe. Galaxies are being formed till this day. It is found that nearly all the galaxies we see today were formed shortly after Big Bang. We found that the foggy universe transformed into a clear sky, and we can see distant parts of the space as a result of the formation of galaxies. Our Milky Way Galaxy is considered to be formed at the beginning of the universe roughly 13.6 billion years ago. There are about 200 billion or more stars in our Milky Way Galaxy. The earliest galaxies we can see are around 13.8 billion light-years away, allowing us to see the earliest pieces of stuff in the universe in the beginning of the universe itself. We are not sure whether the stars formed first and then gathered into galaxies or the galactic clouds formed first wherein the first stars were born. It is possible that the galaxies formed where the dark matter and regular matter clumped together due to the irregularities in distribution left over from the Big Bang.